This is where the beetles sat. There we are, the beetles. Hello. Hi, I'm at Plymouth Hoe, and it's really cold. Cold today, what a change of weather, and it's really packed today as well. Just had some lunch, sat down on the bench at a little picnic, and I'm going to head to the lighthouse and over. Oh, that's good. Over here is Drake's Island over there. You see it? I always wanted to go on my kayaks, go across Drake's Island and just see what it's like. But yeah, I'm going to do that one day. On my bucket list, going to Drake's Island. And I think it's really pretty here. Very pretty. Drake's Island. Quite a few boats out as well. There's a boat coming along over here, a ship. Oh. Ah, looks like a navy ship. It's coming over. Wow. F79. That is. I think it says 79 because my eyesight's not that brilliant. But I'm going to head towards down here. A load of nice bar things. I don't know, there's a police down there, I don't know what they're for. I think they're having a chit chat. Oh look, that's good, it's like towing a boat. That's good. We're going to have a look at this. Quite cold today. Yeah. I'm gonna
the little boat behind it.
Right, just going along. Big ship.
They're police boats, they're guiding it out. So the big noses can't just go out there.
Just kind of across the road now. Thank you. Oh, come up to these steps. Ah, oh, so cute. Oh. 19, no. The memory of the men who gave their lives on D-Day, 6th of June, 1944. Oh. '91. Oops, nearly tripped up. Going up these steps, all the way up to these steps. Huh. Very pretty here, Plymouth. I think they say about Plymouth back in the old days, before the war, I think Plymouth, the town bit, used to be very, very pretty. And I think Plymouth, a lot of it got bombed, and they rebuilt Plymouth, but it's not as good as it used to be apparently. That's what they say. But I think you've got the whole old part of Plymouth. That's pretty, and I think that's what it used to be like. And now they just chock it up really quick. But here, it's very pretty here. You've got the sea, you've got Cornwall right over there. And come to this bit. Plymouth waterfront. I can't get this way, so I'll go this way. I haven't been to Plymouth for ages, so bear with me. Lots of people having picnics. And this way. Right, we're heading down towards down these steps. There are, and this is Welcome to Plymouth Home. be. They have a lot of fireworks here. So many things they have here. That used to be a restaurant there, the dome. That's coming. Thank you. Hi.
Did you know I have a brother?
That's a pretty statue thing over there. I think that's the Lilo where they go swimming in there. That's the ice cream parlour.
They don't want Starbucks, they want smaller places.
Very cold. I'd be freezing. My hands are red raw. Beautiful tree there. Lovely.
Like kind of like party event.
We're going down to the old part of
You've already got ACTH elevated. Why are we doing a dexamethasone test?
going down to the old part of the town bit, which is very pretty. I think the whole of Plymouth used to be like that. That's a nice building over there. Don't know what that building is, but I'm going to find out about that one. Very packed. Loads.
Dogs.
Hello.
Dogs and Jack. It came out.
Dog's looking at me weird. Oh, this is nice over there. Ah, look at this. Yeah. People sitting on the rocks. Ah, cute. Right. Having a fun day today. Good little walk. That building up there. See it? There.
It's such a nightmare, wouldn't it?
That wall's all going round. That's really packed today. So many people. It's like nothing's happened. Huh, that's what I need, a beer shack. Oh no, it's a gin and tonic, that's what I like, gin. Ice cream. That's ice cream there. I remember when I was a kid, we used to have an ice cream van outside my school, and they used to sell cigarettes. And I remember 10 cigarettes used to have 10, a pack of 10. And I used to spend my dinner money on, well, I used to smoke then, you know, because it's a big thing at school. I used to spend my dinner money on cigarettes, but we used to be able to have, we used to buy one cigarette, and the ice cream van, he used to sell them. Yeah.